Hey, you watching this? Or you're not subscribed? Why not just subscribe? Subscribe to MyJ Plays. Yo, it's your boy MyJ Plays, and today in this video, we are letting a wheel spin choose my car, and we are going to be racing it and seeing how good it is. So, let's go. Let's ride. Alright, so we are on a wheel spinning right here, so let's spin it. Please. What car is that? I can't tell. Oh, the SVJ. Okay, y'all. So y'all see by the wheel spin thingy, we got the SVJ. Let's see if we can find it. Alright, got the SVJ right here. And we're gonna just pick a random race. Why not? I have not modded this car out yet, so that's a good sign. Okay, chat?
3, 2, 1, go!
And with that is the SVJ. So we are finna go back to the wheel and see what car we get. So let's go. How can I write? Yikes, we got this car. So let's just look. I'm doing drag race. This car is about to get smoked. So yeah, just hope luck, I guess.
Level up. Can I see you as my crush?
It's slow. Alright, let's get to the next one. Alright, what could it be? Bro, please. Bro, is it the Jeep, bro? Okay, the 2023 Audi T. Okay, guys, that's our third car so far out of 7. So, please, I can't wait to get done with this. Third car out of 7 cars. What could it be? Bro, please. Bro, is it the Jeep, bro? Okay, the 2023 Audi TT. Alright, chat, this is editing MyJ Plays. This audio did not pick up for some reason, so we just gotta go with this one. And this car won, and this car is just overpowered. I don't know what to say. This car is just a cheat code. I gotta say that. Editing MyJ Plays here again. I don't know why these audios don't want to pick up for some reason. So I'm gonna have to be talking. Not for the rest of the video. But, yeah, in this one, we got the 1946 Jeep MB. So, let's go. Oh, my yacht. Bro. Yeah, I am getting smoked right here. So, yeah, this car is so slow. I don't know what to do with it. This car is just so slow. But yeah, the parts where I don't talk in the video, I'm gonna add music in, like right now. And we lost a second. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay. Yes, it's editing MyJ Plays, by the way. We got 2070 Nissan GTR. Okay. Oh yeah. Now, yeah, I'm cooked. I'm so cooked. I don't know what this is, but let's go to the 8th card. Okay, chat. Let's see if we can beat this. Probably not at all, game. So let's see if we can beat this. Nope, not at all. What am I doing, game? Oh yeah, I'm so cooked. Yup. I already knew it. Well, hold up. Editing MyJ Plays. What am I doing? Why am I stopping the video? I'm stopping it because bad news. We lost the footage to 9.
Stop the cap.
So yeah, so we'll have to skip to 10. So y'all know what it is. Let's go, Conseg. You know what time it is. I'm just going to teleport by snapping my fingers. And there we have it, your folks. Okay. Go. I'm so cooked. Yep. I can't even cook. Yeah, Yep, that's it. So, yep. Okay. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. That will be it for today. And yeah, I will not post daily, but I think I will post every update. Tell me if I'm wrong or not. So yeah, that's me, MyJ Plays, and I am out.